वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Today, YTSA is back again to sing the ongoing program of Asa Di Bar. Last month, we sang Pauri number 4, in which Guruji highlighted Jinni Sacho Sach Pujaya. The blessed ones realize their true identity. Like last month, we discussed the story of Bhumi Jor, who, at this moment of his present life that time, realized the teachings of Guru, used them in his life and realized his true identity and unmasked his false identity of being a chore, and till today we remember him in our Gurbani as Pai Bhumiya. Today in the 5th Pauri, Guruji clarifies the concept of hell and heaven with us. Let us hear from the kids first, and then we will try to discuss about the Pauri. Kids, can you please sing for us?
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. गुरमुख ढूंढ ढूंढे दियार, सजन लगा राम राजे. कंचन काया कोट गाड़, बीच हार हर सिदा. हर हर लीला रतन है, मेरा मान तन विदा. गुर भगवने हर पाया, नानक रस खुदा. श्लोक मेला पहला. कड़ियां सब पे गोपियां, पैर कन गोपाल. गहने कौन मणि बैसंतर, चंद सूरज अवतार. सगड़ी करती माल, तन वर्तन सरब जंजाल. नानक मुझसे ज्ञान विहूनी, खाए गया जमकाल. रोटियां कारण पूरे नाल, आप पछाड़े तरकी नाल. गावन गोपियां गावन कान, गावन सीता राजे राम. सिक्खी सिखिया गुर विचार, नजरी करम लगाए पार. कोल्लू चढ़का चक्की चक, थल वरोले बहुत आनंद. बंधन बंद पवाए सोए, पहिए कीर्तन जय सब कोई. नच नच हसे चले से रोए, उड़ न जाई सिद्ध न हुए. लक्षण कुंदन मन का जाओ, नानक जिन मन को तेरा मन पाओ. पौड़ी नाम तेरा निरंकार है, नहीं है नरक न जाइए. जियो में सतसदा देखा जय, आप गवाइए जिलोड़े संगा अपना. कर पुण्य नीच सदाए, जिदवाना पर है गर्वेश करेगी आइए. गोर है ना बढ़िया पाइए, बढ़िया पाइए तोरे न पाइए. बॉडी नाव तेरा निरंकार है, नहीं लिए नरक न जाइए, नहीं लिए नरक न जाइए.
गौरी नाम तेरा निरंकार है, नहीं लई नरक न जाइए. जियो पिन सप्त
Thank you, Pache. Sang very nicely for us. Thank you so much. So, frankly asking you, while you were singing, did you understand the body better?
Actually, I'm a bit confused. Can you please clarify how do we create hell or heaven around us? I did not understand. Now Tera Nirankar hai is sitting and reciting Vaheguru, taking God's name.
I wish it was that simple, Pache, but actually it is not. Saying Vaheguru is jumping the first step, starting the mind to switch off the body and our mind and to start switch on the soul consciousness. Okay, I will tell you very easily, giving you your everyday examples. You all have a health situation for yourself and you all would have a heavenly situation yourself. Let me ask you, what is the most health situation for you?
Getting bad marks, failing in exams is like the health situation for me. But getting really good marks in exams and becoming the student of the year would be the most heavenly situation for me.
Yeah, for you at this moment, failing in exams, getting bad marks is the hell, whereas being the student is the heaven. So, I will just ask you like this. Guruji is saying what? Now Tera Nirankar hai. And taking that now, we will not go to the hell, or neither will we create the path of hell for ourselves. Usually, what do you think are the reasons of getting bad marks in your exams?
I guess not focused on studies, wasted time on other things like late night series or games, took time for granted. Everybody kept on telling me to study, but I just didn't listen to them.
Yes, I really agree to that. Because you're my daughter, I agree to you in that way. So, I'll ask you here, and what will make you get good marks in exams?
Well, pretty much the opposite of what I did. If I was to be more focused, put more efforts, spot my temptations, balanced my time, slept on time so I had more energy to realize that time is limited.
Oh, really? And what would make you the student of the year now?
Focus, effort, hard work, practice, enough sleep and eat well. Remember that it's just not academics, but it's also other activities and working on my own strength and weaknesses.
You answered everything that I had to tell you. Actually, well, it's like this now. You said all the right things that you have to do, and that is what Guruji is saying us. That the soul inside us actually has all the divine qualities that you need to get good marks and not bad marks. You need to be more focused, disciplined, and oriented towards your things. So, and which all these governing qualities in us are called Nam, which we all have actually, and these are the qualities which allow our mind to stop towards hell and create a heaven for ourselves. And all these qualities, frankly, are the divine qualities which are being discussed several times in Mool Mantra. And whenever you have any problem, I would say just one help. To find a way to get undistracted and gather your distracted, scattered mind is to recite Mool Mantra. Let's do it once here. We all are getting distracted around here. So let's get all focused and understand what now Tera Nirankar hai means.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभव गुर प्रसाद.
Thank you, Ji. So, as you said yourself, Ek Omkar. Whenever I have noticed, most of us, not only you all sitting on the stage, youngsters, even when we are doing some things, our minds get distracted. You are doing late night studies, your minds are getting distracted to what do I wear this weekend party, which movie should I watch this weekend on Netflix. When your mind is getting distracted, adopt Ek Omkar quality of Mool Mantra and get your focus back at the present moment where you are working on your assignments. Next is Sat Nam. While using this quality, whenever you lie to mama by saying, I have finished my assignments but you haven't, and whenever, not you, I know you, whenever other kids online cheating, that is where you have to remember the quality of Satnam, never lie. Then, second thing is Karta Purak, where we talk. I will explain you like this now. We all, actually it's we also. We all like to watch late night movies that is disrupting our health. We all want to do something that is not correct for us. There is, we have to talk about now of Karta Purak. Be cooperative, be creative. Use your distracted mind to do something creative and be Karta Purak. Use the quality of Karta Purak. Next is Nirbhav Nirvair. It's everybody of us sitting in this Darbar hall. We all have jealous, we all have hatred, we all get angry towards each other whenever your friends getting better marks than you, whenever you lose by few points the Student of the Year award. It's always that you have that jealous, that hatred, and these all things are that are creating a hell in your mind for your own self. It's only we, when we create a hell for ourselves, it is only we who suffer. This is where we use Nirbhav and Nirvair. This is how now tera nirankar hai, na laiye, narak na jaiye. You understand?
Yes.
This is how now laiye, narak na jaiye. Take divine now and avoid creating a hell for your own self. Avoid creating a path that takes us to the hell. In this body, before Guruji has finished, he has even explained us one more point. Did you notice it?
Yes.
What Pankti is it? J.
जे जरबाना पर हरे जग वेस करे दी आइए
J lode.
जंगा अपना कर पुन्नो नीच सदाइए
See, J lode changa apna kar punno neech sadaiye. Here Guruji is explaining us something very nice now. J lode changa apna kar punno neech sadaiye. But after doing good, after getting the best marks, after becoming the Student of the Year, you will for sure be, it's me who did it. It's me who got it. No, it was the divine nature that was within you. It was the divine qualities that were within you. You used them and you became the Student of the Year. So to be humble, to give the credit to the divine, to give the credit to your Guru, is where you will not be egoistic and you will say Karpunno neech sadaiye. So just say that you were blessed in that moment to be able to apply Guru's teaching. Like how in last body, Jinni Sacho Sach Bujaya, Bhumi Chor, he realized in that moment. So here, after you have got those qualities, after you have got those things that you are wanting in life, always be thinking that you are blessed and you have applied on Guru's teachings. It was Guru who made you apply on his teachings. So now did you understand? Did you understand what you sang? Now tera nirankar hai, now like narak na chahiye. Okay, so ਹੁਣ ਬੱਚੇ ਤੇ ਸਮਝ ਗਏ ਨੇ, ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਹੈ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ। ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੜਾ ਕੁਝ ਸਮਝਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ, ਬੜਾ ਕੁਝ ਸਿਖਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ, ਪਰ ਜਦ ਸਾਡੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਖਤਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ। So let's try ourselves also creating a heaven for ourselves by removing the path of hell from our lives. Now, बच्चे, can you please help us sing an answer for us? Thank you जी। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। बच्चे ਹੁਣ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਨੰਦ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਗਾ ਕੇ ਸੁਣਾਉਣਗੇ ਜੀ।
रामकली मेला तीजा आनंद एक ओंकार सतगुर प्रसाद आनंद भया मेरी माए सतगुरु मैं पाया सतगुर का पाया सहज से की मरवजियां वागाया राग रतन परिवार परिया सिसला तेरी नाम मन वसाए नाम जिनके मन वसिया बाजी शब्द कनीर कहे नानक सच्चे साहिब क्या नहीं करते रे सच्चा नाम मेरा आधारो सच नाम आधार मेरा जिन भूखा सब गवाया कैसा सुख मन आए नसिया जिन इच्छा सब बुझाया सदा कुर्बान की ठाकुर विंडो जिसने आई बनियाया कह नानक सुनो संतो शब्द करो प्यारो सच्चा नाम मेरा आधारो वाजे पंच शब्द कर सभागे शब्द वाजे कल्ला चित कर काया पंचदूत वासुकी के काल कंटक माया दुर्कर्म पाया तुझ जिनको से नाम हर के लागे कह नानक सुन होता कर अनहद बाजे आनंद सुनो वट पातियो सगल मनोरथ पूरे पार ब्रह्म प्रपाया उतरे सगल विसूरे दुख लोक संताप उतरे सुनी सच्ची वाणी संत साधन पैसर से पूरे गुर के जानी सुनते पुनित कहते भगत सतगुर भरपूरे बिनवंत नानक गुर चरण लागे वाजे अनहद पूरे श्लोक पवन गुरु पानी पिता माता गर्द महान निसरात दुर्दाई दाया खेल सगल जगत जनिया पुरिया वाजे कर्म दूर करनिया को आपनी के मेरे के दूर जिनी नाम पे आया गए मसक्कत काल नानक ने मुख उजले के छुट्टी नाल जिनी नाम पे आया गए मसक्कत काल नानक ने मुख उजले के छुट्टी नाल। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।